Nigeria relies heavily on imports for most of its pharmaceutical products and medical consumables. With the local currency losing over 70% of its value in the last 1 year, prices of drugs have quadrupled, and some have even disappeared off the shelves of pharmaceutical stores completely.
The prices are so much on the pharma essential products. Organ products are usually on the high side, and you see them, they are very difficult to get in some of the local community pharmacies.
This medical doctor says the situation is fast becoming desperate for some of her patients.
So many medications that we use for dementia, if you can find it now, it's very expensive. But it's not even available. So it is there. You write IM injection for the patient will go and come back. Doctor, I can't afford it. It's now 200 milligram of IM injection is now like 13,000, something they used to buy for 2,000 naira.
The government is now seeking to address the problem. Mid this year, President Bola Tinubu issued an executive order granting VAT and customs waivers on pharmaceutical products and medical devices. That executive order has now come into force. The government is hoping it will drive down prices of essential drugs and open the doors for local pharmaceutical and medical device manufacturers to benefit from the measures.
With this executive order, the aim or the aims are many, but one principal one is to at least have a tampering, a lowering of the cost of healthcare, the cost of medicines and medical consumables. To the manufacturer, it gives him a breathing space to be able to procure equipment, because it's not only VAT, there's tariff removal for certain equipment. So those two reduces the capital outlay for the manufacturer.
But not everyone is convinced the measure will make any significant difference.
Right now, importation of medication is based on the dollar exchange rate. Not so. If you look at it that way, the VAT is just a marginal part of what you're going to spend if you want to bring medication into the country or you want to bring medical devices. So it's the dollar, that exchange rate, that is the principal thing, and it is affecting the cost of medication all across the field.
Several multinational pharmaceutical giants have exited Nigeria in recent years, citing foreign exchange limitations among other challenges for doing so. The government is banking on this new policy to help rejuvenate local pharmaceutical industries to fill the void.
Government needs to invest a lot more in research and development, because we are still dependent on raw materials that are imported. The other thing that the government needs to do is to sustain what CBN started in 2020. That is to provide a special funding window for pharmaceutical and healthcare products that is long-term and single-digit.
For now, it remains to be seen whether the directive will have an impact in reducing the cost of drugs in the country. DG Badimasi, CGTN, Lagos, Nigeria.